What does the future of work and daily life look like with AI? It's a question we're all asking as AI rapidly advances, transforming industries and our everyday experiences. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of AI, specifically focusing on two powerful technologies, GPT-4o and Gemini. These AI tools are not just changing the game, they're rewriting the rules, creating new opportunities while disrupting traditional roles. We'll explore how AI impacts job creation, job replacement, and life enhancement across various sectors. From data analysis to content creation, customer service to education, AI is everywhere, optimizing processes and unlocking new possibilities. We'll look at the specific implications for different professions and how AI can empower individuals to adapt and thrive in this evolving landscape. Get ready to explore the exciting world of AI and its transformative power. This isn't just about understanding technology, it's about understanding our future. Data is the new gold, and data analysts and scientists are the modern-day prospectors, sifting through mountains of information to extract valuable insights. But what if you could analyze massive data sets with unprecedented speed and efficiency? That's where AI tools like GPT-4o and Gemini come in. They can process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and generate actionable insights, giving data professionals a powerful edge. Imagine analyzing market trends, predicting customer behavior, or identifying potential risks with incredible accuracy and speed. AI empowers data analysts and scientists to make more informed decisions, leading to better business outcomes. It's not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting their capabilities, allowing them to focus on higher-level strategic thinking and problem-solving. This shift towards AI-powered data analysis is already happening, and it's only going to accelerate in the coming years. For data professionals, embracing these tools is not just an advantage, it's essential for staying ahead of the curve. Creating engaging content is crucial for any brand, but it can be a time-consuming and resource-intensive process. AI is changing the game by automating content generation, making it faster, more efficient, and personalized. Imagine using GPT-4o to generate compelling ad copy, write blog posts, or even create video scripts, all tailored to your target audience. Gemini takes it a step further by producing high-quality video content, complete with visuals and audio. This opens up a world of possibilities for marketers, from creating personalized product demos to generating engaging social media content. The ability to produce large volumes of high-quality content quickly and efficiently allows marketers to reach wider audiences and optimize their campaigns for maximum impact. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. AI also enhances creativity. By taking care of the more mundane tasks, AI frees up marketers to focus on strategic planning, creative brainstorming, and developing innovative campaigns. We've all experienced the frustration of navigating automated customer service systems. But AI is changing the face of customer service, making it more efficient, personalized, and ultimately, more human. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle a wide range of customer inquiries, from answering basic questions to resolving simple issues. Imagine a chatbot that can understand natural language, provide personalized recommendations, and even anticipate customer needs. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up human agents to focus on more complex and demanding tasks. AI can analyze customer data, identify patterns, and predict potential issues, allowing companies to proactively address customer needs. This shift towards AI-powered customer service is already transforming industries like retail, finance, and healthcare. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and personalized customer service experiences. Education is the foundation for personal and societal growth, and AI is transforming the way we learn, making it more personalized, engaging, and accessible. AI can tailor educational content to individual learning styles, creating a customized learning journey for each student. Imagine a platform where GPT-4o generates personalized study guides, quizzes, and even interactive learning modules, all based on your specific needs and progress. Gemini takes it a step further by creating engaging educational videos, complete with animations, simulations, and interactive elements. This allows students to learn complex concepts in a more visual and interactive way, making learning more effective and enjoyable. AI can also automate tasks like grading and providing feedback, freeing up educators to focus on mentoring, coaching, and facilitating deeper learning experiences. This shift towards AI-powered education is democratizing learning, making it more accessible to people around the world, regardless of their location or circumstances. Many jobs involve routine and repetitive tasks that can be time-consuming and drain human creativity. AI excels at automating these tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more strategic and fulfilling work. Imagine using AI to automate data entry, schedule appointments, generate reports, or even manage email correspondence. This not only increases efficiency and productivity, but also allows humans to focus on tasks that require creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking. By taking over the mundane, AI empowers humans to work smarter, not harder. This shift towards AI-powered automation is happening across various industries, from manufacturing and logistics to finance and administration. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated automation, further enhancing productivity and freeing up human potential. In today's fast-paced world, customers expect quick and efficient service. AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated in handling basic customer interactions, providing instant support and resolving simple issues. Imagine a chatbot that can answer frequently asked questions, process orders, track shipments, or even provide product recommendations, all without human intervention. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also allows human agents to focus on more complex and demanding tasks. AI chatbots can operate 24/7, providing instant support to customers around the world, regardless of time zones or language barriers. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect chatbots to become even more intelligent and capable, providing a seamless and personalized customer service experience. Creating engaging content is essential for businesses and individuals alike, but it can be a time-consuming process. AI is changing the game by automating simple text and content production, making it faster and more efficient. Imagine using GPT-4 to generate product descriptions, social media posts, email newsletters, or even basic video scripts. This allows content creators to focus on higher-level tasks like strategy, creativity, and storytelling. AI can also personalize content based on target audience, ensuring maximum engagement and impact. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated content generation tools, empowering creators to produce high-quality content with ease. AI is transforming industries by streamlining processes, automating tasks, and enhancing productivity. From manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and finance, AI is optimizing operations and driving efficiency gains. Imagine AI-powered systems that can analyze data, identify patterns, and make recommendations to optimize workflows, reduce waste, and improve decision-making. This not only increases productivity, but also allows businesses to operate more sustainably and cost-effectively. AI can also enhance collaboration and communication, connecting teams and individuals in real time to streamline projects and accelerate progress. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater efficiency gains, transforming industries and unlocking new possibilities. AI is making our experiences more personalized and relevant than ever before. From e-commerce to healthcare, AI is tailoring products, services, and information to our individual needs and preferences. Imagine an online shopping experience where AI recommends products based on your past purchases, browsing history, and even your current mood. Or a healthcare platform that uses AI to analyze your medical history, lifestyle, and genetic information to create a personalized health plan. AI can also personalize our entertainment experiences, recommending movies, music, and books based on our tastes and preferences. This level of personalization not only enhances our enjoyment, but also saves us time and effort by filtering through vast amounts of information to find what's most relevant to us. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more personalized experiences, creating a world tailored to our individual needs and desires. AI is revolutionizing education by making learning more personalized, engaging, and accessible. From personalized learning platforms to AI-powered tutoring systems, AI is transforming the classroom and beyond. Imagine a world where AI tutors provide personalized instructions, adapting to each student's learning style and pace. Or AI-powered platforms that create customized learning journeys, recommending relevant content and activities based on individual needs and progress. AI can also automate tasks like grading and providing feedback, freeing up educators to focus on mentoring, coaching, and facilitating deeper learning experiences. This shift towards AI-powered education is democratizing learning, making it more accessible to people around the world, regardless of their location or circumstances. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and effective educational tools, empowering learners of all ages to reach their full potential. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by improving diagnostics, treatment planning, and patient care. From analyzing medical images to developing personalized treatment plans, AI is transforming the way healthcare is delivered. Imagine AI-powered systems that can analyze medical images with greater accuracy than human radiologists, detecting diseases at earlier stages and improving treatment outcomes. Or AI algorithms that can analyze patient data, including medical history, lifestyle factors, and genetic information, to develop personalized treatment plans that optimize effectiveness and minimize side effects. AI can also assist surgeons in the operating room, providing real-time guidance and enhancing precision during complex procedures. This shift towards AI-powered healthcare is improving patient outcomes, reducing medical errors, and making healthcare more efficient and accessible. We've explored the transformative power of AI across various sectors, from data analysis and content creation to customer service, education, and healthcare. AI is not just a technological advancement, it's a societal shift that's reshaping the way we work, learn, and live. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial for individuals and organizations to adapt and embrace these advancements. This means developing new skills, embracing lifelong learning, and fostering a mindset of innovation and adaptability. The future of work and daily life with AI is full of possibilities. By understanding the potential of AI and harnessing its power, we can create a future where technology empowers us to reach new heights of productivity, creativity, and well-being. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about augmenting our capabilities, freeing us from mundane tasks, and allowing us to focus on what truly matters: innovation, connection, and making a positive impact on the world. The AI revolution is here, and it's up to us to shape its course and ensure it benefits all of humanity. As we've seen, AI is transforming our world in profound ways, creating new opportunities while disrupting traditional roles. The key to thriving in this evolving landscape is to embrace continuous learning, adapt to new technologies, and leverage AI to enhance our skills and capabilities. Think about how AI can impact your professional and personal life. How can you leverage these advancements to enhance your work, improve your skills, and create new opportunities? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's have a conversation about how AI is shaping our world and how we can navigate this exciting new era. Remember, in the age of AI, continuous learning is not just an option, it's a necessity. By embracing the power of AI and fostering a spirit of lifelong learning, we can unlock our full potential and create a future where technology empowers us to achieve extraordinary things.